Yo, what up, gang? It's your boy coming through with another video, and this time around we're gonna be making a beat, sort of like Lil Baby, that style. And yeah, stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. I'm not gonna talk much as usual. I might drop some pointers here and there, but try to follow what I'm doing, okay? All right, let's get it. So I just want that hi-hat to just stand out a little bit in the mix. As you can hear, it sounds a little bit sharper than before. Right, so over here, I'm just fixing my hi-hats, and I took my sweet time to do that, so I'll just be fast forwarding from here. And as you can see, I was just entering some of the low notes of the hi-hat to just give it that full sound. Next on, I'll be working on the 808. As you can see here, I am kind of shortening the 808 because every time a note overlaps with another, for some reason, there's this knock effect, almost as if it's like a kick drum, and that is not what I want, and that like really interferes with the kick that I already have in place. So I had to just shorten the 808 notes, um, just so that I can have a nice mix. So over here, I'm just trying to eliminate, or rather decrease, some annoying frequencies that I hear within this melody. And of course, I'm also sorting out the arrangement of the song and adding some perks, not the ones you're thinking of. And we're done.